Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add money to PayPal from Debit. Firstly, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Click Transfer Money, then select the Transfer Money option. Now, click on Add Money from your bank or debit card. Just now specify the amount to add, then click Next. Choose either in seconds with Debit, which is faster, or in 3 to 5 days with your bank. For this video, we're gonna use Debit because you wanna pay or add money to your PayPal with Debit. So, choose Debit. Submit your request and you'll receive an email confirmation once the transfer is completed. It's easy and straightforward, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.